Let's consider the field mentioned in the previous episode 28. We demarcated an area of half an acre of this part from bottom. The direction of this line EF is always parallel to CD, but this direction may not be to the liking of the owner. We must change the direction of this line as the owner says. We can't change the direction of AD, we can't change the direction of DC, we can't change the direction of CB. We can only change the direction of this line EF so that this area is not altered. The length of, we should alter the direction of this line by shifting F to F dash or by shifting E to E dash. If we shift F to F dash, we must calculate E dash. If we shift E to E dash, we must calculate F dash. The discretion of the owner prevails only on FF dash or EE dash. His discretion can't prevail on both these shifts. He chooses one direction, one shift, and calculations choose the other shift. If we choose E dash, we must calculate F dash. If we choose F dash, we must calculate the location of E dash. We in this case choose F dash. We measure FF dash. It's 51 feet. Now we calculate EE dash so that the area of this part is half an acre. CF is 116.795,631,319 feet. Episode 28. We got this figure from episode 28 because we are considering the same field as in the episode 28. We just measured FF dash 51 feet. If we add this figure and this figure, we get CF dash. So CF dash is equal to 167.795,631,319 feet. We know angle DCB. It is 58.590,549,0443 degrees. We got this figure from the previous episode 28, and we know DC also 198 feet 0 inches. We got this figure also from episode 28. Applying cosine rule, DF dash is equal to 180.915,603,443 feet. We know DC, we know CF dash, and we know angle DCB. So we can calculate DF dash. After calculation, we got this figure 180.915,603,443 feet. So we know DC, we know DF dash, and we know CF dash. Using Heron's formula, we can calculate the area of this triangle DF dash C, this triangle only up to this point. So the area after calculation is 14,177.5595745 square feet. But we want the area of this part to be half an acre. So from half an acre, if we deduct the area of this triangle, we get the area of this triangle. So we must fix E dash so that this figure has the area of has its area. For calculating CDF dash, we must calculate the angle of this figure now. We know these three sides. This side we know, this side we know, this side we know. So we can calculate this angle by applying cosine rule. After applying cosine rule, we get CDF dash, this angle, to be 52.332633,187 degrees. Angle ADC is equal to 135.62008435 degrees. We got this figure from episode 28. So angle EDF dash is equal to 88.287451,168 degrees. We deducted this figure from this figure. We deducted this angle from this angle. Then we get this angle. EDF dash is equal to 88.287451,168 degrees. The area of the part to be demarcated is half an acre. This area must be half an acre. That means half into 43,560 feet is equal to 21,780 square feet. 1 acre measures 43,560 square feet. The area of this triangle DCF dash is 14,177.5595745 square feet. This we calculated above. If we deduct this, the area of this figure from this whole part, we will get the area of this triangle E dash DF dash. We get this area. So the area of E dash DF dash must be 7,602.4404255. We deducted this figure from this figure and we got this figure. The area of this triangle is 7,602.4404255 square feet. One of the formulas for area of triangle is half AB sin C. We saw this formula in episode 2, second method. Except one side of these two sides, we know all the data. A is 7,602.4404255. 5 is 0.5 is 0.5. This figure is DF dash is 180.915603,443. DE dash is this one. We must calculate this one so that we can fix E dash. So DE dash is DE dash here, and into sin 88.287451,168. We calculated this angle above, and this angle is sin 88.287451,168. We know how to solve this equation. See episode 1, equation. So after calculation, we get DE dash as 84.081610,587 feet. DE dash is 84.081610,587 feet. We know AD. We know DE, this part. So DE is equal to 142.520 92411 feet. We got this figure from the previous episode. So if we deduct this figure from this figure, we get EE dash. This is 58.439,313,523 feet. We know DE and we know DE dash. If we deduct DE dash from DE, we get EE dash. So EE dash is this much. So if we convert this decimal feet into feet and inches, we get 58 feet 5 inches roughly. Therefore, if we shift F to F dash by 51 feet upwards as proposed by the owner, calculations insist that we should shift E to E dash by 58 feet 5 inches downwards. So, as stated in episode 20, penultimate para, FF dash and EE dash can be made equal only when the shifts are not longer than 1 foot or 2 feet at the most.